Guys, this is pretty easy. I rated a 1 out of 5. You would remove the door panels, which is the plastic trims, and then some bolts, and then 3 more bolts that holds this in together. And in case you're wondering what a Camry looks like, yeah, the newer style.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down.
You will need a screwdriver, 10mm, maybe a little bit of extension, some flatheads or whatever, a pry tool to get the trims off. Let's go. It's a 2-step video because you need to do the interior first. So let's go. All you need is, for the interior, is a screwdriver and maybe a pry tool. Remove this panel off. Just pry it. A nice big pop because of that. First is to get this little panel off. Shove the pry tool here. Comes off nicely. Push. No problem. Exposes that screw. Good. Now this needs to be removed. So what I found out was pretty useful. If you have, if you start here first, so it kind of pops us up a tab. And now since it's all loose, it's much easier. So I started here, and I shove something here. It popped it up. Here, to disconnect these, disconnect these. Easy push pins. Of course I say easy, now I'm having trouble pushing it. One hand thing. Here has a little safety so you don't lose it. Exposes the screw. 1, 2, 3. Remove. Now the scary part, because it sounds like you're breaking the car, but you basically just pull it apart. Ta-da! Removing these is pretty easy. You slide up the track and just turn it where the little ball is. Same for the other side. Oh. Cool. And then disconnect some other switches. Push pin. So here's the interior of the panel. You can see all these little push pins. This is where all the popping noises came from. So you can see there's quite a few for your reference. So here's this panel reverse. So you can see this is a pin right here, but then there's these little pushy tabs. Awesome. Now it exposes 3 bolts. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I believe it's 10mm. I'm not entirely sure, but I would recommend breaking off the bolts first and then taking it apart. And then this comes off. You just push the sides. And then remove. That's it. And then not repeat. Do everything in reverse. That goes to that. Big boy Legos, man. Good. Reconnect. Grab the door. Doing reverse, easiest to put the top one first. Now it just kind of holds it in place. Now you just line up everything back up. And pop it in. Click, click, click. Alright, yeah, you get it. This piece first. Click, click. Oh wait, no. Wrong. The screw is first. I make mistakes. This is, you know, this car just came out. Shoot. But come on, Frank. It's only 3 bolts. Let's go back in. Push.